everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this is the first layout that I'm doing for my Mini Kit Monday. There's a group of us ladies that get together every month and we make a little kit, and then we make pages from it and post them every Monday. I know that I have a lot of new subscribers and I want to say welcome, and make sure that you check out the other ladies that participate in this. Becky Bidding is one, as well as Dollie Boyd and Kathy Feigl, and Daisy Nehemiah's to come back for this month. So I'm very excited to see her again. All right. So if you heard my video previous to this one, I mentioned that I'm getting over a cold and the hoarse raspiness is still with me. So it is what it is. I'm sorry about that. There's not a lot I can do, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this video up on the day that it was supposed to be up. Okay, so first let me talk about for the month of December. I do have some holiday videos, but it's not December daily, that are on my channel. But I'm also going to have some non-holiday videos, and that's what this one is about. This is about a graduation. My daughter graduated with her bachelor's back in May. And I just wanted to get it up this year. And I'm pretty excited because a lot of these major events, for some reason, I take the photos. I didn't take this one, but I hold on to them for whatever reason. But I really felt that this one was perfect because I really like the 3x4 card that came, that was in my kit, that today is a day to be happy. It was so perfect. And it was black, which is, the color of her gown. And so that meant that I had to choose black as my accent color, because I tell you what, when I saw this pink, I really wanted to go with the blue, but it just wasn't going to go. And I know you can't tell, but actually the foundation paper, is a really dark gray, and it has a texture to it. And I got it from a paper pad from Michael's from several years ago. It had all the primary colors, and this is a neutral set, and it had texture with it. I don't really like texture paper that much, but it works okay here. You can't even tell that it's texture. It looks great with the print that is on the pink. Now, the cut file, I mentioned this last month in November that it's a good idea, or maybe I didn't mention it in November, but I did mention it in a video recently, that it's a good idea to go ahead and print some of your favorite cut files whenever you have time. I set aside a day and I just cut out a bunch of cut files, and then I have them ready to play with whenever I'm ready to scrap, because some days I just want to be in my scrap room, but I'm not inspired to scrap. So I just go ahead and do something else, whether it's like rearrange things or cut out these cut files. I'm not quite sure where I got these cut files, but I will leave the name of it below of the site that I got it from. I do like to look for free cut files all the time. So, always check your favorite places that you get your cut files, and, just see if they have any free stuff, because every now and again you'll find that. Now, I haven't hardly talked about this page at all. I've just kind of rambled on here, and now it's getting, towards the end, but it's all good. So one thing about the kit that I made, I didn't have any alpha set aside. So I went through the thickers that I had. I really liked it was white and then the gold, but I didn't have any other gold on my page. So that meant I had to get a little creative here. And I am using their little discs. They're not quite sequins. It's from Spiegelmom Scraps. It's the Metallic Mess. And I'm using a couple sizes here, and I kind of spread it throughout my page. And normally I don't show you how I put this on, but I'm in today. So I use Distress Collage Medium, and it comes in a little pot like this. This is one of the Tim Holtz products. And I just use my tweezers and I dip it in. And as you see, I held my finger like where it was to go so that I knew exactly where, the sequin or the disc was to go. So I didn't lose my placement. Because, there's a reason why I put them down there, to begin with. I really like where it is. And sure enough, if I took my eyes away, then it wouldn't be in the same spot. So to add some more gold, I'm using my gold jelly pen. I just got this at Michael's. This is my favorite brand of the Jelly Roll pen of gold. I have tried numerous ones throughout the year. I almost forgot my flare. It's a little camera here. I love flare, and I believe it's done. Well, the still shots are coming. If you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the other ladies, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.